Hi everyone! So we have more swap entries, and this comes from Junk Journal Treats on Instagram and over on Etsy. I'll leave her link down below. So she did send a note that she didn't have enough pill boxes, so she did mine in a different container. So here are her swaps. So they are nice and taped in. So I'm just going to put these back in the envelope, and then I'm going to open up the one that she sent to me. So mine is a little bit different, but it should have just about the same items in there. I love her little bag that she has. It's actually like a little Ziploc. I don't know where that's from, but it is super, super cute. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm dying. She sent me extra goodies. So she did a little Tim Holtz. I love Tim Holtz. I hoard his stuff, to be honest. I have so much of his stuff and it's just hoarded away because I love it so much. So love her, but look at this. Oh, I don't even want to open it. I just want to like hoard it too. Like Mickey eyelets. Like what? Oh my God, you guys. $3. It says Anaheim Parks, $3. Can you imagine? I can't even get a churro for $3 at Disneyland, okay? So, oh my gosh. And then look, she sent me a little piggy with the wings. So, yesterday I posted on the community tab here on YouTube. I found this little piggy over at Walmart. He's like a reindeer pig, and he actually has wings. They're super tiny in the back. I don't think you could even see them in the photo. Oh my gosh, he is so stinking cute. I'm so happy that I found him. They didn't have many. They only had like 2 of them, I think, at my store. So I'm super happy that I found him. And then look at this like vintage postcard. Love that. And then over here, she sent me also a little extra little keychain here. Super cute. I love these little keys. I think I bought them like twice off of Temu. So super cute. Okay, so let's get to the embellishment box. Oh my gosh, how cute that she sent mine in a little ghosty and then put a bow on here. So I think everything in here is supposed to be the same as what's in her swap box. Okay, so let's see what she sent here. We have a little eraser that comes from Target. And then we have some die cuts. Oh, I love die cutting little ghosties in vellum. Oh, look at this puffy sticker. That is really nice. Love that. There we go. Just wanted to bring you guys in a little bit closer. We have, oh, look at the tiny little pumpkin. Oh my gosh, like these itty bitty little bottles. I just got some bottles off of Temu that I think kind of look like this. So I'm wondering if they're the same ones. Like a little candy corn, little bow. Oh my gosh, I love using googly eyes for Halloween. So the little googly eye with the bow, love that. And then the next one we have a little like diamond dot mix. Love that. Some beads and some buttons over here. Then up here, oh, she made us a little not close, what is this? Safety pin. So we got a little toad over here, little glass pumpkin, some paper clips, and some charms. Love that big old candy corn. I definitely don't have that one in my stash. That one's a lot bigger than the one that I do have. Then we got a little bone. So I'm going to do a video on how to use like these little bones. I actually just wire wrapped one. I think it was yesterday. So I'm going to do a little video on like how to use these and still make them be like a little like bead dangle. So we got some little resin flat backs there. And then in our next one, we have some more little flat backs. This little ice cream dude is so stinking cute. Let's see, there's some little eyeballs in there as well. These look more like doll eyes. Those are really nice. They're like thicker. Oh my gosh, look at the bugs over here. I love me some bugs. Are these like Tim Holtz bugs? Because they're flat. They're not actually like charms. Oh, okay. So I keep talking about that I'm going to do this shadow box. So I need to do the haul video. Hopefully I can get that done tomorrow or today. I have no idea. And I want to use these for that shadow box that I'm going to make. Look at that little bat guy. Okay, I definitely don't have that bat guy in my charm. Oh my gosh, wait. I just saw this spider over here. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is he? Where is he from? He reminds me of the spider from Harry Potter. Oh my gosh, I love this spider. I love spiders. So we got some little pumpkin charms, some little wood pieces, a little dead teddy in there. Oh, look at these. These are really nice. Some like blinged up little charms. Love those. And then over here, got a little button, ghosty, lots more spiders. I love it. Just like a lot more little spider gemmies in there. Super, super cool. Thank you so much for making me one. And thank you so much for joining my swap. I love this little container too. It's really, really cute. So our next swap entry comes from Melissa, and she dangled a little spider off of her little yarn right here. So let's open it up and see what she sent. So we have a beadable pin right here. I love this little ghosty bead. I bought these same ones off of Temu. They're so cute. Then she has, oh my gosh, she has a washi tape, little jingly bell, a bat. Oh, and I think there's actually more die cuts in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys hear the cats? Ooh, scare me. So we have a little shaker bat. We have some little words in here. We have a little witchy. Oh, that is cute. I love how you did her little skirt. Kind of looks like fire, but she did it like this green. And I don't know where this green glitter paper is from. You'll have to let me know because that's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, and look at this little mummy dude. His, actually like a glitter. Isn't that really pretty? And then her stuff is busting out. So we have some little acrylic pieces. Okay, I have not bought any of these acrylic pieces. I wonder if these are from Temu too. I never even bothered to look. So love that. And then let's see, in this first compartment we have a bead. And we have some, what is it called? Like a little rosettes. And then in the next one we have some handmade flowers. Oh, those are cute. Look, she used like the pattern paper. That's really cute. And then, oh, I never saw this guy either. He is actually a bead. Oh, cool. I never even saw him before. And then we have some paper clips. We got some stickers, and we got, oh, this is cute. So she got one of the flat back resin pieces, and she already glued the bail on there for you guys. And then we have this little skeleton bead, and over here we have some more wire wrap bead. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is that? You guys, I am dying to get a laser cutter. I want one so, so bad. I'm like, if I buy one, I need to have the space and the time to set it up because I'd need to make my money back off of what I spent on it because they're pretty expensive. They're a few $1,000s. So I'm like, ugh. The investment in them. And it's so funny because just today I sent my mom an Instagram of like some girl talking about how she makes like $3,000 a month off of her crochet items, and I'm like, look mom, you could be making an extra $3,000. And she's like, girl, she's like, you start making and selling your stuff first. And I'm like, okay. So I'm like, maybe that'll be in the future. Oh my gosh, I've never seen these either. Look at those little charms. I love these. Those are so cute. Then we got little candy. Oh. I don't think I've ever seen these before. So it's like a spider, but it's got kind of like a rubbery texture, but it's actually metal. It's like super stiff, like that coating on there. I don't know what that is, but I like it. And we got a little tombstone there. And then she did some more wire wrapped beads over here. Oh, cute. She already made like the little dangly bit. This kind of reminds me of Oogie Boogie. Oh, done. He was like right here too. So she probably did that on purpose. And then we got some more wire wrapped beads right here. Okay, I don't know where these thick like clay ones are from, but I really, really like those. Those are nice. I definitely don't have any of these like brighter colors. This reminds me more of like the Day of the Dead colors. So really, really like that. Thank you so much for joining my swap. Thank you to everybody that is watching. You guys are so amazing, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.